And let's move to the next one. There are many of them, so terribly sorry for that.
That's fine.
I know. Using quand, when. Used to ask about time and time only, nothing else. Okay?
Okay.
Example. Quand est ton anniversaire? When is your birthday? Quand est you would hear it in Quebec, quand est ton anniversaire, stuff like that, because it's the way they say it. Quand arrives-tu à la maison? When do you arrive home? So take this one so that we can
Okay.
the next part.
Done.
So using quand, can you actually find the questions for these ones? Mon vol part à 10 heures. My flight, let me do the meaning next to it because I'm not sure you're gonna know these ones.
Yeah.
My flight leaves at 10 o'clock. Il commence son travail lundi. He starts his work on Monday. Nous allons au cinéma ce soir. I think this one you know it. We are
going to this evening.
Ce soir, this evening?
Yeah.
Night, maybe? Night?
Yeah, tonight.
Yeah. So try to find what is the question for these answers.
Okay.
En vol, that's perfect.
Yep.
Oh, you're getting the hang of it.
Yeah, because we did the examples,
good.
right? Yeah, so that kind of gives the idea.
Yeah, that's why. On part en vol, this one. Quand commence-t-il? Travail, un, deux, trois. Oh. You could say, if you were to talk to other people, you could say, quand allez-vous?
Okay.
And they would answer. Yeah. Well, it's good. You could be asking your family.
Okay.
Good. So just take this one. Did you take the meaning of them?
I did, yeah.
Good. Just take the last one
Okay.
so that we can move to the.
Done.
Okay, good. Using pourquoi. Why? Used to ask for reasons or explanations. Example. Pourquoi es-tu en retard? Why are you late? Pourquoi tu pleures? Why are you crying? So take a note of it so that we can
Okay.
move to its exercise. Done? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Next up, answer the following question in full sentences.
Okay.
So, pourquoi étudies-tu le français? Pourquoi veux-tu voyager? Pourquoi es-tu fatigué aujourd'hui?
Okay.
Do you understand the question?
So these are the questions. I just need to give the answers.
Yeah. It's a backward practice.
Do I just need to remove pourquoi and this ones?
J'étudie le français parce que c'est pas tu étudies. It's like asking you. So it's gonna be j'étudie le français parce que, and then you give the reason.
Okay. I don't know these ones.
Okay, which one do you don't know?
So the first one I did j'étudie le français parce que for immigration. How do we say pour immigration?
L'immigration. L apostrophe
Yeah.
immigration. Same writing.
Okay. So that the second one means why
Do
are
you want to
you
travel?
okay. Je voyage. Je
Could
voyage.
be to relax. It could be to have a good time.
Okay. Means relax.
Relaxer.
Yeah.
Pour relaxer. Let me show you.
Okay.
Let me send it to you by WhatsApp.
Okay.
Pour relaxer. Like this.
Okay. Je suis.
Fatigué aujourd'hui parce que.
Why are you tired today, right?
Yeah.
I know sleep means dormi, right? DORMI.
Yeah.
How do I say I slept poorly or like I didn't sleep well?
Je n'ai pas dormi tôt. Let me write it. Je n'ai pas. You got it?
Yeah, okay. Okay, I'll send you the picture, even though you helped me.
Mhm. It's fine.
Yeah.
I'm here to help.
Yeah.
So let's annotate. Pour que j'étudie le français. Okay. The only thing is j'étudie doesn't take an S
Okay.
in the first person.
Okay.
So this one, I'll just remove this one.
Mm-hmm.
This one is not
Okay.
le français parce que, non, pour l'immigration. You don't need to put parce que if you're gonna say pour l'immigration.
Okay.
Pourquoi veux-tu voyager? Je veux voyager. Je veux voyager. You didn't. Je veux voyager pour me relaxer.
Okay.
So yeah, that's a capital G. Yeah. Pourquoi es-tu fatigué? Ah, tu as écrit je n'aime pas, je n'ai pas. Je suis. And you are also because you are having a 2-hour class. Je suis fatiguée parce que je n'ai pas dormi tôt. Please take these on your notebook
Yeah.
because I feel we're almost done, don't worry.
Yeah. I made the changes. So
Okay, good.
yeah.
Oh, just give me a minute. Okay, good. Now we're going to go to the next one. Let me remove my annotation.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it. How using comment. So it's how. Used to ask about the way something is done. So comment vas-tu? Something is done or how someone is.
Mm-hmm.
So, how are you? We say comment vas-tu?
Yep.
How do you make this cake?
Yep.
Comment fais-tu ce gâteau? Okay. Comment cuisines-tu ce gâteau? So take these on your notebook. Do you have
Okay.
any questions on this one?
No.
No?
No. Yeah. For
Okay.
now, it's no.
For now.
Yeah.
But write it down, maybe you'll get some question.
Yep.
Okay, good. Next is our fill in the blanks.
Yep.
So please fill in the blanks with comment.
Mm-hmm.
The first one is how does it work?
Mm-hmm.
The second one is how are you today?
Yep.
And the last one is how can I help?
Okay. So you just need to put
Oh.
comma in front of all of these.
Yeah. Just write it down.
Okay.
Let me write the meanings so that you write
Okay.
it down at the same time. It work? Question mark. How are you? Hey, how am I?
Done.
Okay, good. Using combien? How much? How many? Used to ask about quantities or prices. So, combien ça coûte? How much does it cost? Combien de frères as-tu? How many brothers do you have? Okay, you want to take
Yep.
it? That's
Yep.
the last one and we will be done.
Yay.
Okay, so that concludes it for interrogative.
Mm-hmm.
I'm definitely going to send you your exercises later today.
Okay.
But yeah, definitely it was a good work on your part from the last exercise you did. It's not
Yeah.
going to be a very long exercise, but it's going to have key things
Mm-hmm.
that we have discussed yesterday and today.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, you have a good night to yourself.
You as well. Take care. Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye-bye.